What is good? I'm gonna show you guys in this video what modifications I'm running on this beast right here. Let's get into it. Alright guys, first modification is the Mountune High Flow Induction Kit. It's the intake. Looks so good, nice big beefy intake, lots of air. Got the blue colorway. Sounds great. The next mod, we got the Mountune full intercooler parts with the hard pipe. Big upgrade from the stock one. Lots of air. You can definitely tell a big difference with that. In the back for the exhaust, got the Mountune V2 catback exhaust. This thing makes the car way louder, a lot deeper, throatier sound, and it makes it backfire so much more. Makes it sound like an absolute beast, guys. So the car also has ceramic coating and window tint. Here's the cob access port for the Mountune map. Got the aftermarket fog lights. They're a lot brighter and they look a lot better than the stock ones. We got red LED trunk lights. That's it for all the modifications I have. I would recommend any of these Mountune mods. They're gonna make your RS a complete monster. This thing is a beast on these mountains out here. It mobs. It sounds good. So yeah guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for your boy. Alright guys, late.